So for us to do our body weight squat, we're gonna start out with our feet about shoulders width apart, toes slightly pointed outwards. We're gonna drop our hips back just like we're sitting down in a chair and push up, drop back and push up, drop the hips back and pushing back up. Now while we're doing this, we wanna make sure the weight is evenly distributed across our foot. However, as we push our weight on up, make sure that we're pushing through our heel. That's the back of our foot. Now, if your weight is shifted too far back, you might feel yourself toppling backwards as you go up or down. So make sure the weight is evenly distributed. With our upper body, we're gonna engage nice and tight in the core to support upper body and lower body movement just at the same time, and keep our chest nice and raised up. Drop the hips back, point upwards, drop the hips back, push upwards. We're gonna end in a nice and tall standing position. As far as hands go, wherever they're comfortable in this position for you. And that is our body weight squat.